This is a single car garage here on this house, and they're looking to get a little bit more room. You know, a garage is nice, but when you don't have enough room, the garage ain't worth too much. So first things first, we have a single door over there. Let me turn it around, we'll show you what's going on. Got a big window here, so it'll be like a living room window. Get ready for framing these 2 windows out, or 3 windows with the door.
On the floor, looking up, wanting more. This is so unreal. I must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not?
All right, guys, I just got everything buttoned up. Me and Weston just cleaned this thing up. It is nice and ready for the homeowner. We got our electrical in yesterday, and we got an inspection last second. The house is good to go. Awesome lighting on a dimmer switch. We have our entertainment wiring back here, ready for a TV mount. So that's gonna be perfect for a couch right on the other side. This is awesome. We have the shed out there that we built because we stole their garage. Want to give them some extra storage space. There it is. This house does not have a bathroom on the first floor. Now they got the half bath. Got the toilet, the sink, medicine cabinet, whole deal. This is gonna be way more useful of a space to them than just a messy garage. I don't know if the garage was messy, not saying it was, but you get the gist.
I